Hey guys, so my name's Mark. The reason why I'm doing this video today is to give you reasons why I want my hair system fitted and the process of how it's all going at the moment. So last month I went up to Hair for All for London in Bristol. I met the lovely Phil, absolutely lovely man. It was just for a trial and just so I could ask questions, just so he could ask questions. So basically he fitted a hair system to my hair. I had tears running down my face because it was a perfect match. It was perfect colour. Just everything was just perfect about it. So already Phil has my hair system in the store waiting for me for my appointment on the 3rd. So the reasons why I want my hair system, you're probably all looking at me thinking you've actually got quite a lot of hair, until I bend over and I have the bowl patch. So the reason why I want my hair system fitted to my hair is because I've already seen them and they look insane, but it will give me my 100% confidence back and I won't have to worry about my hair going bald over the foreseeable future. But at present, I've got to grow my hair to 2 inches long, and the reasons behind that is so we get the perfect match, we get the perfect fade, and it just all fits correctly. I cannot wait. I'm so excited.